Hi guys, welcome to Sanju's Fantasy Lab. And today we are discussing about IPL match number 12, Rajasthan Royals vs Kolkata Knight Riders. It's on 30th September 2020. First we are discussing about the venue. Today the match is at Dubai International Cricket Stadium. Dubai pitch has favored the spinners historically, but batters are getting more help here at Dubai now. Average score here 157. Lowest score 71. Highest score at this venue is 211 during the 2014 edition of the IPL. The last time Rajasthan Royals made a hat-trick of victories at the start of the tournament was in 2015, with the 2 victories on the trot this year right at the start. They have a golden opportunity to emulate the performance when they take on the Kolkata Knight Riders in the 12th match of the Indian Premier League. In their first game, they restricted the Chennai Super Kings 16 runs short after posting 216 on the board. Now they are coming after gunning down the highest ever chase in the IPL history as they defeated Kings XI Punjab in their last game chasing 224. Despite playing both of their games thus far at the better of Sharjah, Steve Smith's Chargers have managed to hold their heads up. However, after 200 plus scores, this time they will be in action on one ground much bigger stadium than Sharjah, and hence as many runs might not be on offer. The Kerala star Sanju Samson was the showstopper in the game versus Kings XI Punjab, as his 42 ball 85 became the fulcrum of a historic chase. Steve Smith's contribution in the form of a quick-fire half-century was the guiding force, whereas Rahul Tevatia's magical redemption to glory scripted a cricketing folklore at Sharjah. On the other hand, Kolkata Knight Riders did well to bounce back after a thumping defeat in their first game against the Mumbai Indians. In the second game against the Sunrisers Hyderabad, Dinesh Karthik lead men bowled with utmost discipline to contain the heavyweights to a modest total of 142 for 4. Before Shubman Gill and Ian Morgan lambasted Sunrisers bowlers to chase the target well within the stipulated time, Kolkata Knight Riders would be keen to building a winning streak, whereas Rajasthan Royals would look to march ahead with their 2-match winning momentum. Probable playing 11 for Rajasthan Royals: Jos Buttler, Steven Smith, Sanju Samson, Rahul Tewatia, Robin Uthappa, Jofra Archer, Riyan Parak, Tom Curran, Shreyas Gopal, Angit Rajput, Jayadev Unadkat. And for Kolkata, Shubman Gill, Sunil Narine, Nitish Rana, Dinesh Karthik, Ian Morgan, Andre Russell, Pat Cummins, Shivam Mavi, Kuldeep Yadav, Varun Chakravarti, Kamlesh Nagarkoti. The last time both these teams had faced each other was in a league match of IPL 2019. Despite Kolkata captain Dinesh Karthik's glorious 97 of 50, inclusive of 7 fours and 9 sixes, Kolkata ended up on the losing side as Rajasthan chased down a 176-run target in the last over. The young and dynamic opener Shubman Gill displayed a wide array of shots and played a blistering 70-run knock alongside Ian Morgan. Nitish Rana looked good for his short cameo. However, Sunil Narain's form will be a slight concern for the management, as he has not been able to fire at his slot. Andre Russell has had only limited opportunities as he has come lower down the order to bat. Varun Chakravarti had a decent debut as he bowled an economical spell and got a wicket to his name, though Kuldeep Yadav has looked off colour. Pat Cummins will lead the pace attack alongside 2 promising Indian quicks, Shivam Mavi and Kamlesh Nagarkoti. The form of skipper Steve Smith and Sanju Samson has been pleasing as the former has slammed back-to-back half-centuries, whereas the latter has given 2 consecutive man-of-the-match performances. Coming in after missing the first game, Jos Buttler failed to make an impact. The villain turned the tailsman Rahul Tewatia might be given more opportunities up the order after his heroics in the previous game. Though the track at Sharjah is not an ideal test to judge a bowler, The form of Jaydev Unadkat has anyways been a concern. Jofra Archer, Shreyas Gopal, Tom Curran and Angit Rajput all lead runs, although the match was not won for the bowlers. For small league combination, Jos Buttler, Sanju Samson, Eoin Morgan, Shubman Gill, Steven Smith, Andre Russell, Rahul Tewatia, Shivam Mavi, Varun Chakravarti, Tom Curran, Pat Cummins. Andre Russell has been decent with both bat and ball against the opponent, so he will be the safest vice-captain pick in this match. Dropped Sunil Narine due to his terrible head-to-head performances with both bat and ball, and also he isn't in a very good form. Jos Buttler and Eoin Morgan are must-have considering their average of 36 and 47 respectively in head-to-head. Jofra Archer has taken wickets at an average of 59, which doesn't look very promising, so taking Cummins in place of him, and we can choose Sanju Samson as captain of this small league combination. And the Sanju's Fantasy 11 second team for small league combination: Dinesh Karthik, Jos Buttler as captain, Eoin Morgan as vice captain, Shubman Gill, Steven Smith, Andre Russell, Rahul Tewatia, Pat Cummins, Shivam Mavi, Angit Rajput, Jofra Archer. Dropped Sanju Samson as he has struggled a bit against the Kolkata Knight Riders at this venue too. Dinesh Karthik has done well for his team playing against Rajasthan Royals, so he might play a saviour role in this match. Jos Buttler and Eoin Morgan are the two best to have as captain and vice captain considering their recent form and records. Took both Cummins and Archer as they are bowling in death overs, so might take 1 to 2 wickets easily. And here is the Sanju's Fantasy 11 Grand League combination team. Dinesh Karthik, we are choosing Jos Buttler as vice captain, Eoin Morgan, Robin Uthappa, Steven Smith, Sunil Narine as captain, Andre Russell, Rahul Tewatia, Shivam Mavi, Varun Chakravarti and Angit Rajput. Going heavy on Kolkata Knight Riders as they might dominate this match considering their lineup, which looks stronger than the opponent. Sunil Narine might make up for his bad records in this match, and also pitch has started to give some help to the spinners, so he can be crucial. Jos Buttler failed in the last match, so he is likely to play a big knock in this match. I'll come back with more Fantasy 11, not only IPL, we'll do for every matches like football, basketball, baseball, etc. And we'll give a detailed vlog about how to join in the contesters. Few more videos in coming days with all the queries you have. How to make grand leagues and how to make teams for small leagues. I'll cover each and everything. I hope you have liked my video. If you have liked my video, please do like, share and subscribe.